Hi guys, I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com, and this is my retreat right now. We have a private retreat inside Stitchin Heaven in Quitman, Texas. This retreat center is absolutely gorgeous. I am blown away. We have 26 girls here this weekend and they are having a wonderful time. They are enjoying themselves. We are quilting, we are sewing, we are being very well fed, very well taken care of, and very well pampered. You know, this is what I love to do. This is what we all love to do. There's absolutely no replacement for having a weekend with your best girlfriends and people who absolutely get everything that you do and why you quilt and why you sew, and being with them for the whole weekend. We left all of our cares, all of our stresses, everything that we have to do, we left that outside the door when we came into this room. So we have had a wonderful time. This retreat center is very new, it's very updated. Everything is on one level. All of the bedrooms have their own bathrooms. Like, this retreat center is pampered. Not only that, but just across the street over there is the largest quilt store in the entire state of Texas. It's huge. There's so much fabric, so many quilt kits. Everybody here that we've interacted with is so nice. The staff is wonderful. We've had a wonderful time and I am just loving this. This might become a yearly thing for us. So we will definitely be coming back to Stitchin Heaven for this retreat again. Hopefully you can have your own retreat here soon. So, thanks. Have a good day.
All right, 3, 2, 1, starting over here. Woo! This is fun.